Hey fellas, we've been working on the new lathe. I got a piece of 60-61 6-inch round aluminum in it. I'm running 544 RPM there on the blue scale, and we're feeding let's see, B on F looks like about 8 thousandths per rev, 8.2. Maybe we're in A, I'm sorry. 16 thousandths per rev. There's the chart. We got the, it's just the Schar's tool holder, or the Schar's tool bit, in our Create Tool Multi-Fix fixture, the B size. So we got it set up. We're going to take a pass here and finish this up. We've been experimenting with feeds and speeds, and this one seems to work really well. So here we go. It's a little bit of a lighter cut this time. It'll get a little heavier out here toward the middle. Then it makes these neat little chips like that. Light stuff. That's the stuff where we tried a different insert and it didn't like that at all. There we go. They're still messy, but they're pretty clean. The finish is really smooth. This is going to be the base for our 4th axis on the BridgePort. This is where we're going to mount our spindle bearings and everything in. See how that all goes. We'll try to keep track of how we end up building it, get some specs and stuff if it all works out right. Alright fellas, I'm going to shut this off and maybe I can get it here. Finish up this cut. We were just cutting the OD to make it pretty. Taking a few practice cuts to see how it looks. And there we go. We'll run her out here out of the way. So that looks pretty good. Nice and smooth. Got a little bit of record player to it. But that's going to come out really nice. So, on our lathe, the 17-inch LeBond, it's not a 19, it's actually a 17, after I measured it the correct way. We actually bought this drive, or we bought it, and we have a 5-horse motor. And what we done is rewired the main switch that used to switch directions with the 3-phase. We actually ran this little cable down to the switch, and all it does is turn the inputs off and on for either forward or reverse. This is a 10-horse drive, so it's rated at twice of what we need. You're supposed to derate a drive when you run them on single phase by at least a third. So I went for half. I don't have no problems. So we did rebuild the motor, put new bearings and everything in it, and we're gonna try testing it out here, doing a little boring and some inside turning. But so
far the drive's been easy to program.
Yeah, this drive, if you guys are looking for one, yeah, I think it was $505 or $530, somewhere in that range. It's super easy to program. It runs pretty quiet. The fans are a little bit loud on it, but when the lathe is actually running, you really never hear any of it. So you can start and stop the drive from the face if you want. We just opted to make it more like the original and have the the original switch down here. The original switch is what's actually controlling it. You can see there. That's the original one. We've got it hooked up just enough to control the drive, so it seems to work really well. We've used it quite a bit, made some pretty good mess here in between the chip pan and the floor. So, well, anyway, guys, sorry it's been so long. We're gonna get back into running the mill here before long. There's a few modifications coming for it. We're gonna get the Z height, the Z speed sped up. We've come up with a plan for it. We'll get, you can see it's still got the lathe, the small lathe, the 9x20 sitting on it, and an empty Coke can. It's perfect for storage. Anyway, we'll catch you guys later. More videos to come, guys. Later.